morning, everybody. Welcome to Coffee with Buzz. I have a few trades to go over that we traded yesterday, and we're going to do a scan live today, show you what I do every day. Before I do, I just want everybody to go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and we're going to dive right in. Okay, everybody. Did the scan today, and perfect setup right now is CAR. Let me go ahead and pull this up on the monitor. Give me just 1 second. And we did our typical scan. This is what I scan for every morning. Price $15 and up. Float short 15% and up. I'd like 52-week high and low between 10% and 0. And the average volume at least 100,000. I mean, that's even 100,000 is super low. I like to get that up over 1 million, to be honest. But anyways, let's see what CAR is doing here. You can see here we are setting up very nicely for the bull flag that I've always talked to you guys about. Got a nice run up, some consolidation. We do not have a squeeze on the daily yet, but we do have one on the 90. And sorry, this doesn't fit my screen. We have one on the 78 and the 90. Hopefully the 195 will set up, and then the daily. Now, the only thing that could possibly break this out would be we have earnings from last night, and they quadrupled. Not quadrupled, I'm sorry, they doubled earnings almost from what was expected. So we could either, this could be an earnings play where we actually see a good sell off at the market, people taking profit. Let's see what it's doing after hours. Let me zoom out just a little bit here. Yep, so they had earnings, they were at 172 and they shot up to 185. We got a huge gap up. We'll see where it opens at this morning. But just to let you guys know, sometimes I do an earnings reversal play, and anytime you see these huge gaps up of 150, about $15 from 172 to 186 almost, people tend to take profit at the open. And if you are aware of that, you can go ahead and purchase a put and ride that wave down as people are taking profit, and you can make usually some good 10x lotto plays on that. But that's what we've got going on there. And then next up, we traded M. And there's a very loud bird outside of my window. I'm not sure if that's picking up on the microphone, but it's pretty loud right here. So we had M as a good play yesterday. I'd let everybody know about that one. It opened up at 26, and we rode this all the way up to, let's see, if I recall, it was right in here where I sold. I saw this shooting star right here. I sold right here at 28.41, and then it kind of dipped. It did hover and go back up above that, but I believe I took it's about 71% on my, excuse me, on my option. So that was a good, nice little day trade. I was into Macy's thinking that it would run up to about 30, but seeing that it kind of flatlined here, I decided to take my profit and move on to the next day. And you can see if I go to the daily chart, this was the pattern that I was looking for, and I was looking for it to break the 28.40 line. It basically touched there and stopped. There might be a continuation for today. Typically when it breaks out of a squeeze, you'll usually see this bar, the 2-3 bars up, and then it'll pull back, consolidate, kind of like what you're seeing back here. Each time it makes a new high, it kind of consolidates and then breaks out, makes another one, consolidates, breaks out, and makes another one there. So we might see that again here. It really hasn't broke out yet. It just kind of hit that level. Hopefully it has one more good bar, gets up to about 29 to 30, and then it will probably pull back, and we'll see what happens here in earnings. But that's basically all that we had going on yesterday, other than a few day trades. Not really in the need to discuss any of those for right now. My scan today, there really wasn't much going on. Uh, LFG looks like it might be possibly setting up, but it's not there yet. There's no squeezes going on that I can see on any of my charts. And again, I was looking at Voya back here, but their options are just not a good option to play. So kind of left that one alone, even though it is kind of moving a little bit now. Other than that, that's about all I have for today. I will be day trading and looking for TPS setups for tomorrow. All right, everybody. Again, if you're successful and you're trading and making money, hopefully you guys can. If you like my strategy, you can go ahead and help others the same way that I'm kind of sharing my knowledge with you. And I pray everybody is successful and pays it forward. Have a good day, guys.